Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Wednesday, May 27th. Seeing another morning of low cloudiness out there. We are going to continue to see low clouds throughout the rest of the morning hours, then seeing a little bit of sunshine this afternoon, maybe seeing a couple degrees warmer than we saw yesterday. But we will be seeing those low clouds return as we go into this evening and into tonight, maybe even seeing some isolated shower chances as we go into this evening as well. Take a quick look at our satellite loop this morning. Do still have abundance of low clouds hanging along the Delmarva Atlantic coast, but we are starting to see those clouds break up elsewhere, and it does look like we will see some cloud breaks by uh, around lunchtime at Wallops as well. That should allow those temperatures to get up into the lower 70s. We are going to be seeing those low clouds redevelop those we go into tonight. Also going to be seeing some shower activity as we go later into this evening as well. Take a look at our surface analysis across the region. We have this low down here off Georgia north. The National Hurricane Center over the last hour or two has named that tropical storm Bertha. It's going to be short-lived though, as it is anticipated this afternoon to make landfall in South Carolina and then weaken as it moves up across the western mid-Atlantic. As that moves north across the region, we are going to be seeing just a slight chance of some isolated showers here this evening and into tomorrow morning, with a better chance of seeing some scattered showers uh, tomorrow, and as well chance of a thunderstorm as well too. Taking a look at our upper level winds this morning, still seeing some very light winds across the entire column, which is helping to give us these low clouds and stagnant conditions. Also seeing that abundant low level moisture continue, which helped to give us some mild lows this morning. We are seeing those winds pretty much be southeasterly across much of the column, only running around 5 to 10 knots, so a little bit of a peak around 15 knots between 3 and 6,000 feet. Seeing our freezing level this morning rather high at 15,000 feet. For today, going to be looking at a high of 72 degrees. Winds are going to increase from the southeast late this morning to around 7 to 12 knots, then 8 to 13 throughout the remainder of the day. Those southeasterly winds will increase this evening into the overnight hours, becoming 10 to 15 knots and slightly gusty after midnight tonight and into the mid-morning hours of tomorrow, expecting another mild low tomorrow of around 65 degrees. We are going to be seeing a couple pieces of weak energy rotating over the area, combined with the abundant low-level moisture we have been seeing. So expecting a slight chance of some isolated showers between 8 and midnight, and then another chance as we go towards sunrise tomorrow morning, and then we'll see those chances increase a little bit once we get towards the late morning and early afternoon for Thursday. Taking a look at a terminal forecast, still seeing overcast cloudiness at 2 to 300 feet with visibility is down to 1 to 2 statute miles. Once we get towards lunchtime, we'll see some breaks in the clouds, ceilings rising to around 1,000 feet. Also seeing a little bit of sunshine out there. And then as we go towards the late afternoon, evening, we'll see those low clouds become overcast once again, and then possibly seeing them fall back below 500 feet again once we get past midnight tonight. Still seeing tides normal along the Delmarva Atlantic coast this morning. Let's take a look at our long-range weather model to show you how the weather patterns are going to progress. There's that tropical storm Bertha expected to make landfall here by around lunchtime or so, or into the early afternoon hours. It's then going to go inland and then kind of fall apart once it gets over the Appalachians. But some of the remnant energy from that is going to help to give us some showers as we go into tomorrow morning. And as we go into tomorrow afternoon towards lunchtime, we could be seeing some greater chances of showers and thunderstorms develop across the pretty much the entire mid-Atlantic region, including us here on the Delmarva. Going to Thursday night, we're going to start to see this. We'll see some of that energy lift north of the area. That'll help to still give us a chance of a lingering shower Thursday night, and then starting to see a little bit of energy ahead of this front here for Thursday, or for Friday rather. That's going to give us another chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms throughout the day. Only looking about a 30% chance right now. Then Saturday, this front's going to move across the area, give us another chance for some scattered pop-up showers and storms. And then that front will be moving to the east of the area as we go into Saturday night. That'll help to usher in some drier and somewhat cooler air as we go on Sunday into Monday. And we should be seeing some very beautiful, pleasant conditions to start this week as this drier high pressure starts to settle across much of the mid-Atlantic for the beginning of next week. So taking a look at our 7-day forecast here, going to be looking at a high of 72 today with a slight chance of an isolated shower tonight, and into early tomorrow morning. Low of 65 degrees tomorrow morning. We're going to be seeing a high of 75 tomorrow with increased chances of scattered thunderstorms. For Friday and Saturday morning, you see we're going to get those very mild lows only dropping down into the upper 60s. We get that good southerly flow continuing. Friday, 40% chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms with a high of 77. Saturday does look to be the warmest day. It's going to be pretty close between Friday and Saturday to see which one is the warmest. But right now, expecting Saturday to be a little bit warmer with a high of 79 with that chance of scattered thunderstorms. And then we'll get that front moving east of the area as high pressure starts to build in. That'll usher in a little bit of a somewhat cooler air mass and give us some drier conditions as well, helping to dry out the lower levels so it's not so humid. Expecting 72 degrees on Sunday, and then temperatures Monday and Tuesday into the upper 60s under partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies. That will do it for your daily weather briefing. Have a great day.